Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud and AI Analytics. Hope everyone is doing good. I'm Vignesh and I'm very much thrilled to announce the launch of my brand new course in Udemy, that is Hashicorp's Terraform Associate Practice Exam 2025. Are you someone who's preparing for Hashicorp's Terraform Associate certification in 2025 and you want to test your knowledge before the big day and go into your exam fully confident? If you're looking for answers for these two questions, then this course is for you. You will not just practice, but you'll also learn master key concepts of Terraform. So it is a perfect course that will help you to identify your weak spots, reinforce your learning, and practice under real exam conditions. Whether you are someone who have just started out or someone who's looking to brush up your skills, then this course will give you the confidence and clarity to pass the exam on your very first try. So now little about me. Myself, I'm Vignesh. I have around 8 plus years of work experience and I'm currently working as a data engineer, and I've been using Terraform for more than a year now. So all this experience collectively helped me to clear this exam in my very first attempt. Now we will discuss what's inside this course for learners. The first one is realistic practice exams. So this course comes with multiple full-length mock exams with exam-style questions that includes multiple choice, multiple select, true or false, and fill in the blanks as well. So it is basically structured to mimic the actual Terraform 003 exam format, and it basically helps you to practice under real test conditions. It covers all official exam objective that includes Terraform basics, core workflow, state management, remote backends, variables, output, modules, provider configuration and authentication, CLI usage, and common commands, and also it includes Terraform Enterprise, Sentinel, and many more. Third one is detailed explanations. So it comes with in-depth reasoning for every question and answer. It clarifies the key concept and it also includes helpful reference links for additional study. The next one is up to date for the 2025 exam blueprint. So it is based on the latest changes and updates from Terraform 003, and the course will be updated regularly as new topic emerges. And the last one is mobile and lifetime access. So you can learn at your own pace. You can learn it from anywhere, anytime, and basically it comes with lifetime access. Now I'll just step into the Udemy portal and I'll show you my course which got recently published. I'm inside the Udemy portal and the name of the course is Hashicorp's Terraform Associate 003 Practice Exam 2025. And totally there are 5 practice tests that includes 297 questions, and I'll be keep on adding new questions as well. What will be the course outcome? Once after completing this course, you will be fully prepared to take and pass your Hashicorp's Terraform Associate 003 certification. And also you will have detailed understanding about the key concepts of Terraform and workflows, and definitely you will feel confident in applying Terraform in real world cloud environments as well. What are you waiting for? Enroll now and get certified. So I'll give you the link of this course in the description section of this video. You can take it from there. So before concluding this video, I want to thank everyone. Your support means the world to me, and if you find this course useful, don't forget to leave a review. That will really help me and this course reach much more learners. Thanks a lot. Happy learning.